as someone that's been here for a little bit over a month now, that the operative experience actually has far exceeded any expectations I ever had of being an intern in the OR, doing some serious operating. And I think that a lot of the structure of the rotations that we do as an intern are such that a senior resident, whether it be a chief or a PGY-6 or even PGY-3s or 4s, do a whole lot of teaching in the OR. I mean, earlier today, myself and Josh did 2 cases. Josh brought me to as the teaching resident, and I was there every step of the way doing the steps, some for the very first time. And I think that that environment is spectacular for operative learning and operative teaching. Being an intern, especially early on, is all about doing a lot of things for the first time ever, and I can ask for a better environment to learn those skills. And it's clear that I think everybody goes through this process and gains a lot from not just learning, but subsequently teaching as a resident. I came from the Northeast as well, just like Ryan Eaton has, and I'll say that in my experience as a med student, I got to interact with a lot of different residents from different programs in the Northeast, and not a single one of those programs, I feel, had the interns operating as much as I have the last couple of months. And as I'm sure some of you know, the ACGME requires a certain case threshold at a minimum after the first 2 years of general surgery residency, and no one ever has an issue hitting that number as a junior resident here. In fact, I think we exceed those numbers pretty significantly, and it shows from a technical standpoint. But happy to answer any other questions from an intern's perspective. I'm sure Joy is as well, my spectacular co-intern. And I'll also reiterate just really quickly that word family, I think, is probably one of the greatest theme words of this program. Literally hours after matching, I got phone calls and texts and emails from a whole lot of people that were welcoming me to this family and could be happier.